Yes, I would absolutely recommend being an air traffic controller to everybody. Such a good job. It's such a fun job. There's a lot of hard work and you need to be aware of that. But if you're willing to put that hard work in, yeah, it's unbelievable. I would absolutely recommend it to anyone.
When I found out I was going to be an air traffic controller, it was one of the proudest moments of my life. I remember exactly where I was, where I took the call, and I felt incredibly overwhelmed with emotion, and it was a very memorable moment.
First time I spoke to an aircraft it was a really quiet period. There was just one aircraft on, and I think it was a really simple instruction. And I was so nervous. I was shaking. I couldn't push the push to talk button because I was shaking so much. And then after I'd done it, I was almost like I could take on the world. I felt amazing.
I was ecstatic when I found out I was accepted to be a controller. I didn't know much about the role. I was quite wowed by CTC when I went there for the interviews. I found it a fantastic place, and I couldn't wait to get started.
The best thing about my role is that every day is different. Nothing is ever the same. You'll come into work and you don't really know what you're going to face and how you're going to have to deal with the different issues or the different scenario situations that you're put in.
The best thing about my role is certainly the view out the window on a clear sunny day, which does happen at Manchester. I'm from Manchester, so I'm very lucky to look around at where I grew up. I've got my school in the distance, I can see the city centre, and of course I can also see Old Trafford.
And I got posted to Aberdeen, which is something I'd never been to Scotland before. But when I moved up here, thought I'd just apply myself, get stuck in and see what happened, and I've fallen in love with the place. Wouldn't move it, wouldn't change for the world.
I mean, there's a lot of responsibility, but it is also a lot of fun. And it's such a satisfying job as well. So at the end of the day, if you've had a good day, everything's kind of worked out, your plans have all come to fruition. It's unbelievably satisfying. It makes you feel so good as you go home.
Now since I've done the course and I've achieved, and I'm like only getting better at the job every day as the days goes on. Just go for it, just take the leap at the start. And if you don't fly, you'll fall, but you'll just get back up again.
You can do far more than you think you're capable of. You've just got to believe, and once you start believing a little bit, that will manifest and it will grow. And you'll become a completely different person by the end of the training course, and hopefully, probably, by the time you validate as well.
I didn't know much about the role, the job. It was an advert that had been put in front of me by my mum. It was a first step on a career ladder that I saw was actually something I wanted to do. And the more I researched the role, the happier I got.
I would definitely say air traffic is the best job, and I would definitely recommend it to everyone I would speak to.
I always wanted to work in aviation, so to actually do that and to do that here is just amazing.
I think it's a wonderful career, and it's a wonderful privilege to be involved in such a safety critical role and helping people get to A and B, see their families and friends at Christmas time and go on their summer holidays. It's a fast-paced, dynamic industry, and it's an unbelievable role.